Hello beautiful people, welcome again to SoliciousCuisine. On today's video I'll be showing you how to make this simple, quick and delicious cocoyam porridge from Cameroon. Stay tuned. To the ingredients, you'll be needing some palm oil. I'm using smoked beef. You can use any protein of choice, and some grounded crayfish, ginger, garlic paste, onion and pepper. You'll be needing also some washed bitter leaf, and in here I have Bebe powder, which is known as African non-milk. As you can see in the video, that's how it looks when it is not yet grounded. And then I also have bush pepper, white pepper and country onions. Country onions is known as Rondelles, and that is how it looks like when it is not yet grounded. Of course, you also be needing some salt and seasoning, and the cocoyam. So cocoyam is called taro. It's quite difficult to find it where I live, and this cocoyam, we call it in Cameroon red Makabo cocoa. Here you can find it also in some African shops, and this is how it looks like. So you want to get this one as it looks like this. Most cocoyams that is being sold in shops here, they are round, but this one is not particularly round. It has its own shape. I don't know, it looks like a pear. So this is the one you want to get for this recipe. Next, I'm going to peel the cocoyam and chop it into the sizes that I want. So preferably I like to make it into small sizes or chunks if that's the right thing to say. And just as I'm doing in the video, that's how you want to do it. Also makes it to get cooked faster. Next, I'm going to put the washed cocoyam in a pot, add the meat and the ingredients, the other ingredients. So basically, I'm adding every other ingredients except the bitter leaf, crayfish and country onions, which is the rondelles. Next, I will add water. So I will put water just a little bit above the cocoyam, and then add the palm oil, cover and let it cook for 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and I'm just going to give this a stir, after which I will add the bitter leaf, crayfish, rondelles and also give that together a proper stir. So at this point you also want to make sure that your salt, your Maggi and everything is to your taste. So after you've added everything, you want to mix and then cover and let it cook again for another 10 minutes. So it's important for you to allow your cocoyam to cook very well, to avoid mouth itching while eating. So it's been 10 minutes. Basically, you want to cook the cocoyam until it is soft. At this point, your cocoyam porridge is ready. Just serve and enjoy. Have you been watching till this moment? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share and leave a comment below. If it is your first time here, thank you for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do so and click on that notification bell. Until I see you in my next one, stay safe. God bless you. Bye.